How to use the YouTube QR code. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily use the YouTube QR code from the YouTube. So first thing first, simply head over to your YouTube application. Once you're inside the YouTube application, simply click on the profile section right at the below here, as you can see here. And once you click on that, simply click on the view channel option, and you see the three dot icon at the top corner. Simply click on that. Once you click on it, simply tap on the share option at the top. Once you click the share, you will see the option called QR code. So once you see the QR code option, you can simply save it to the camera roll like this, as you can see. So the image has been saved to my gallery. So once you do that, there are two ways to use it. You can either simply post it on the Facebook for others to scan your YouTube channel. Let me show you a quick example like this. When you head over your Facebook account, you can simply post it by saying something to gain more followers like this. Or you can also, what you can do is you can simply download the barcode scanner application from the Play Store. You will easily get this from the Play Store, and once you're inside here, simply click on your gallery and you can also scan it from here. As you can see, the link has been created for my YouTube channel. Directly you can simply copy it and open it directly on your mobile device. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.